What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm BY. Make sure you guys are smiling, make sure you guys are working hard, and make sure you guys are being awesome. I just woke up and this window is so bright, so that's why I decided to film in front of it, and I got a mosquito bite on my neck. But let's get into today's video.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a fire test with the Nerf Retaliator. So I got 3 darts and a 6-round mag, and let's see how far it shoots. Oh wait, no, it's already cocked. Oops.
Where's that camera?
So, first shot. Let's see. I'm gonna put the sight down. I'm gonna aim like up a little bit. Let's see. Okay. I'll go show you where that one was in a sec. Or yeah, I'll show you right now. Right here. Here you guys. So, that was pretty far. Alright, where do you guys think that this one will go? I think it will go to like the end of the fence this time. Let's see. It could have went there. I think it might have. Let's see. It went past the fence. Okay, so that was really good. That must have been like 75 feet or something. So I got one more shot. And yeah, this is, by the way, is like my favorite Nerf gun that I have. So yeah. I'm gonna, or let's just see like the power test now. I'm gonna set up a target and I'm gonna shoot it. So here, I'm gonna shoot from like 12 feet away. I'm gonna hit this owlette thing, not this gray one, this white one. I'm not too sure what it is, but you guys can just listen to the sound and tell me if it's good. So, here it is. That was pretty good. And that speed was also really good. So I'll put that back in slow-mo for you. Okay, that was really fast and good. So I'm gonna show you a couple other things like the Retaliator can do. Get back over there. Okay, so to pop out the magazine, there's 2 orange little tabs up here on the sides of it, and then you just pull it back. Hold on. And then make sure that this is cocked back, and then pull the 2 tabs. So same thing when you put it back in, make sure it's cocked back, and go like this to take it out, flip it back, like that. Okay? Alright, well now it's cocked front now, so cock it back, put the magazine in, sight it, and then shoot, cock it back, put the tags back, and then like when you go like this, there's a jam chamber here, in case something jams, obviously, and then you can also change it into, or not change it, but like, you can take off the grip at the end, can just slide it back on. And then to take off the barrel, you twist it to the left, take it off. And then when you go like this, twist it to the right and stuff. And then to take off the stock, you slide both of them down and pull it off. And then you can turn it into this, and then you can put it on the barrel, turn it into this, and then you can just turn it into that, I forgot what it's called. The Mega Nerf gun. It's kind of like a huge pistol. I forgot what it's called though. And yeah, that's the Retaliator. It shoots really hard and far, but it doesn't hurt when you get hit with it or anything. So I'm just putting all the stuff back on. I can't see. Alright. There we go. And then cock it back. Slide the mag in. Okay. So see y'all tomorrow. I mean not tomorrow. What am I saying? Monday. So yeah, which is tomorrow. Okay. So stay awesome. Work hard. Smile. Wait, no, maybe not on Monday. Maybe Wednesday or Sunday. I don't know. Next Sunday maybe. I don't know when I'm gonna post this. But see y'all later. Stay awesome. Work hard. Smile.